Hey guys, how's it going? Ryan the Lion here, and sorry for the terrible camera work. My usual recording cam doesn't work anymore for some reason. I don't know why, so I just had to do this from my phone, which is also really weird. And why does it look like I'm looking up when camera's here? Camera's here. Okay, so the camera's right there, so I'm gonna look over there, even though like I thought it would just be like down over here, but apparently not. My eyes look like they're going somewhere else, but I see the camera hole right there, so I don't. Anyways, welcome to this video, and I'm just gonna unbox this. So this was unboxed already, so alright. Nothing better than to open this on fucking Black Desert, because it's what, 4 in the morning. I just woke up because couldn't sleep. Might as well open this. And box sent from Kakao. Alright, it's probably because I failed so much. No, I'm kidding. It's because I'm a partner in video, so let's see what we got here. God, I can't even open things anymore. Alright. Woo! We've got a Black Desert Remastered card, and this is a for part of these memories is, oh yes, I support. We got a Kakao friend here. We got a pillow of Orion, and we got a pillow of Rion. Got a pillow. Got a plushie, right? Wow, he's actually. This dude is actually like nice and soft. Holy damn, this is like RNG bonus right here. Look at this dude. Look at this Ryan. Nice. Damn, this is like some high quality plushie here. This is like very squeezable. It smells minty too. He's got like an ooh face. Look at that ooh face. It's like, oh god, I can't believe I just tried to do an ooh face. Alright, so we got a woo. Yes, an extra buddy to help me enhance. I bet you if I rage out, I'm gonna end up punching him instead. Alright, so there we go. We got the B.Spirit here. Perfect. Oh, this dude is actually a lion. He's just a Kakao game support thing, mascot thing without a lion's mane. So that's his problem, and that's why he's riding the lion. Submit support tickets, and this. And I'm about to open this box here from Pearl Abyss that was sent to me for the Shadow Arena. So welcome to this unboxing, and we shall get right into this and see what the heck this is. So this is just your typical average cardboard box, obviously. Nothing really special. If the cardboard box was over the top crazy, and you know, we would have to not take a blade to it. We'd have to actually unpack it properly. But I don't really know how this is gonna go, so we're just gonna do it with a blade for now and ask what kind of a cardboard box this is later. Oh god, I'm gonna choke. Why am I choking? There's nothing to choke about. Wait, hang on a second. There's a packing slip thingy here, and I need to get rid of this first. Okay, so that is gone. And then we open the rest of this top part up and see what the heck is inside of this thing. So I just want to say thank you to Ran, also Pearl Abyss, for sending this to me. I mean, they didn't have to send me anything, but you know, I really appreciate it. I also appreciate every support from you guys as well. You know, I hope like all the videos and stuff have also helped you out and whatever, or at least enjoyable to watch. Oh shit, did I just knife the thing? Oh, okay, nope. And then, and so this was part of like the Shadow Arena tournament I was in like about a month ago. And let's see what this is. Is this a B.Spirit? I can finally increase my RNG. I actually have a B.Spirit now. Oh my god, I've got the RNGesus has arrived. Okay, and then we've got oh nice, we've got a B.Spirit gel pen here. Whoa, look at that thing. Okay. Wow. Wow, that's how it sounds. And then we've got the big plushie here. Alright, so big fat boy.
And then it's here. It says, thank you for participating in the Streamers Invitational and for the interest you showed in Shadow Arena during this beta. Our team had a fantastic time watching you play, and we hope to see more on streams when Shadow Arena comes back. Ooh, this is from Byolbram Kwesan Kim, lead producer of Shadow Arena. Well, this is the dude that created it. Wow! Wow! Laminated and everything. Really appreciate it. This is such cool stuff. I really do. I'm so happy right now. Even though it's midnight and I got work tomorrow and I gotta deal with coronavirus, so I don't know. I'll survive, don't worry about it. We've got a nice, interesting nickel plating pin here of the B.Spirit ZZZZZ. Alright, we've got black plastic model B.Spirit with various facial expressions. What kind of... Wow. Interesting. Oh, I can build them up, so I'm gonna have to like craft this dude. It's for it's for the guru life skills. Oh god. There's more no lifing. Oh my god. Alright, and then what's this box over here? So we've got a Pearl Abyss box over here as well. So this is some more B.Spirit merch here. Alright, so what is this one? This one is a whoa, it's a metal mug. I've got a metal mug here with Pearl Abyss on it. So I guess I'm gonna have to drink all my cold drinks from this now, and also all my hot drinks as well, I guess. So I guess this is gonna make some bubble tea or something like that. So rather than milk tea, I'm gonna upgrade into bubble tea with this. Okay, so and then finally we got a bunch of stickers here. So this is the Black Desert Deco sticker, and there's 16 of them in here. I'm not exactly sure how to open this. Oh, here it is. Okay, so we've got we gotta share how many stickers we have here. So we've got let's see here. So we've got Sword and Shield. Okay, that's probably Jordine or something. And then we've got the Zerker. Wait, did I show that properly? Okay, so we've got the Sword and Shield dude here. Okay, very good. And then we've got the Zerker. Okay, what are those chain bands? What? Oh, those are just tassels. Okay, and then we've got Witch. Okay, and then we've got Maywa. Okay, and then we've got Archer. We've got Kuno. Oh baby. And then we've got Ninjas. And then we've got Valkyrie. And then we've got PA. Okay. We've got B.Spirit emoji. We've got Wizard. And then we've got Tamer. And then we've got Black Desert. Oh, Black Desert. And then we've got Sork. And then we've got Ranger. And then we've got Musa. And then I dropped them all on the floor. Shazba. Alright. And then oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Alright, so that's pretty much it. That's some nice stuff. I really do appreciate it. I'm actually really happy. I've been wanting one of these dudes for like a year for RNG bonus, but no. In any case though, thanks so much. I hope I'll see you all in the next few videos, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. More guide videos coming out. Obviously there's a lot of quarantine going on and everything else. Hope you guys enjoyed this short video. I do hope you guys all take care and stay safe. Obviously for people who see this in the future, hopefully we're not in a bad time anymore in the future, and everything else will be great by then. So until then, I'll see you all next time, and I hope you all stay safe. And if you need to stay home, make sure you've got some support from your buddies, okay? This is just daily life for me, honestly, but I get it that not everybody's like me, so it's just the daily life of Kyrandis out there. Alright guys, thanks so much, and please take care. I do mean it. Bye-bye for now. Peace.